Do you know many people are having trouble with their TV showing a power light but no display? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on TV. Make sure your TV is fully turned on by pressing the power button on the remote or TV front panel. Step 2. Check power connections. Verify that the power cord is firmly connected to both your TV and the wall outlet. Step 3. Test wall outlet. Test your wall outlet by using another device to confirm it is supplying power. Step 4. Set correct input. Ensure the TV's input source is set correctly by using the remote control to cycle through available inputs. Step 5. Reset TV system. Unplug the TV for 30 seconds and then reconnect it to reset the internal systems. After following these steps, your TV should display images correctly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other LG users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.